coaching.
Okay, I just want to take a moment just to remind you guys that look, I do have a poll in my community tab for you guys to decide what you want me to cook. Now, in this current poll, there is a beef, right? We have lamb, we have fish, and we have pork. Okay, and so what I need you guys to do, I need some more votes because I'm not going to do it until I get at least 50 votes. I would think I would have more than that uh, by now, but just want to remind you guys that it's there, and let me know what you think. Now, so far, lamb is winning. I have a few lamb options I could cook right now, but let me know. So thanks for watching the video. Hey, hit the poll. I know a few of you guys have, but let's keep it going. Now, enjoy your day.